Now is the time for retailers really to engage in fun, new, exciting ways with their customers. If we look at some global retailers that have done this in a really good way, it's interesting to see how our retailers can look for inspiration. Zara is a great example of how a retailer needs to respond really quickly to the consumer's changing demand. Zara literally takes only 2 weeks from product on the concept board onto shelf. And it literally launches 10,000 new designs each year. That's a great way to show how to respond quite quickly to changing consumer and fast fashion. Abercrombie and Fitch are really interesting because they use Facebook and social media to their best advantage. From last count, I think Abercrombie and Fitch have something like 1.5 million Facebook friends. And what they do is they engage their consumers by getting the consumers to actually enter competitions to be the next Abercrombie and Fitch model and post ideas about what the next Abercrombie and Fitch design should look like. Great way to keep that two-way conversation between you and your consumer. Waitrose are very interesting because they operate in a highly competitive environment, but their focus is all about community and local community. And as the AMP Shopping Intent Report has previously shown, community and community cocooning is now more important than ever. So what Waitrose do is they give their customers the opportunity to vote each month for the most important cause in their local community, and then they give that cause all the funds for the month. Great way to engage and get loyalty from the consumers. I think it's a really exciting time for Australian retail right now. We're getting examples of overseas retailers coming to our shores. I think we need to be able to respond. It's almost a revolution in retail. It's a great industry to be in. I think the important thing is that retailers once again need to be mindful of the changing shift of consumer dynamics and consumer mindset and respond quickly to that and come up with exciting new ways to challenge and excite and engage with their consumers.